Honey.
Honey
Okay.
is with water.
Yeah, with
Okay.
water.
And this is the match.
Machisa.
Huh? Genuine
Small one also can.
Genuine.
honey, it will burn.
Oh.
Yeah?
Even you put in the water must burn.
Ah.
Oh, okay.
You can never find in Philippines, only in Malaysia and Johor.
Oh.
So you get the knowledge.
Okay.
So next time you want to buy
Honey, you matches?
what-
Yeah,
yeah,
water.
yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you for the information. Yeah.
because if it's sticky, it contains sugar. or glucose.
Yeah.
Okay?
Mm. So mas sticky ah.
If
If
it's
not sticky, it's sugar only.
then
Sugar only.
Oh,
Okay. So good knowledge from Uncle.
Okay.
From Johor Bahru.
Okay.
Whew. Pure honey.
Number.
This one if you want to buy, just call.
Nah.
Yeah. Oh, very good. Thank you for the information, Uncle. How?
Yeah.